So, for the English people, I'm gonna say quickly for you, I'm busy with an online store. I'm busy with 2 hassle sites. I'm busy with Canva. I have already made my own ChatGPT course. I am really busy making lots of color books for children. I'm not just gonna settle for 2 hassle sites. I'm busy with more than just 2 hassle sites, but must bring money in for me. So my 2 hassle sites bring money in for me. My Canva is bringing money in for me, and my color books, what I'm making for all the children, is making money. So if you want to know more what I'm doing, go like the plus sign, let it go green. Go ask, Celeste, what are you doing? And I will tell you, I'm making money online and I'm not scared to tell this. Mums, how long are you gonna sit there and wonder if I am a real deal or not? You have a choice to make this a success if you believe for one time in your life you can do this. So if you want to know what I'm doing, come and learn.